How to use Connections as an organization. I'm going to show you how we use Connections on ChildSafeguarding.com to allow learners to use your organization credits to take some of the courses available on our system. Through Connections, you are able to control who is able to use organization credits for certain courses, and those individual learners who use your credits to take courses are able to maintain copies of their learner information and their certificates should they leave your organization. To invite someone to connect to your organization to use your organization's credits, or to manage Connections, please visit the Connections page of your ChildSafeguarding.com organization dashboard. On this page, you'll notice the Invitation Links section. You use this section to invite learners to connect to your organization so that they can use your organization credits on the courses that you give them access to. You will invite people to connect to your organization to use your organization's credits to take courses on our system through the use of an invitation link. You will use an invitation link to invite people to connect to your organization. To connect people to your organization, you need to send them an invitation link. This invitation link will take them through a registration process where they will create an account that will allow them to use your organization's credits for the courses that you have decided they have access to. The first thing you need to do is to activate your invitation link. Invitation links are not set up to be active at all times. This is a security feature to ensure that people who have old copies of emails or URLs are not able to use that information to automatically connect to your organization to use your organization's credits. In order to invite someone to connect to your organization, you need to click here to activate your link. Once your link is activated, you will notice that it's only active for a certain period of time. You can extend the active period by clicking on the Extend button here and choosing a date in the future. Next, you'll need to choose which course or courses the person will have access to when using your organization's credits to take our courses. Once you choose a course or courses, you'll notice the buttons on the right become active. You can share the invitation link with your learners by either sharing a URL, giving them a QR code, or sending them an email invitation. If you click here, a window will pop up that will allow you to send a direct email invitation to allow them to connect to your organization. You'll notice the courses you chose on the previous window are listed here. These will be the only courses that they will be able to use your organization's credits to take. From here, you can enter individual email addresses one at a time, up to 25 email addresses, or if you have more than that, please download a template, fill in the email addresses, and then upload a CSV. From the email or the URL, they will be taken to this page. This is a connection page. From here, they will need to have an individual account in order to connect to your organization. They can either log in using an existing account, or they can register for a new account. Once they register or log in, they will be automatically connected to your organization. Please note that individual accounts can only connect to one organization at a time. Once the learner connects their individual account to your organizational account, they will see on their dashboard that they are connected to your organization. They will also see that they can use organization credits to take the courses that you've provided them access to. In order to take a course, they will just click here and be taken down to the Start a Course section. From here, they'll need to choose the source of the credits. Some individual accounts may purchase credits on their own, and so they'll need to choose whether they're going to use your organization credits or the ones that they bought on their own. From here, they will choose one of the courses or the course that you've provided them access to, and then the language in which they'd like to take the course. From here, they will start the course on their own. They will be reminded on the course page that they are connected to your organization. And in the course itself, they will be provided the reporting information that you provided us in your organization dashboard. In your organization dashboard, you can monitor and manage the learner connections for your organization. As you can see which individuals are connected to your organization, which courses that they have access to, whether they're connected, and whether they have completed the course. So in this instance, this particular account completed the Leaders course using this organization's credits. You can also change the access that those learners have using your organization credits here. You can add access or you can remove access. Connections to your organization can also be made by individuals who request a connection to your account. Individuals can also connect to your organization by requesting a connection through their individual dashboard. To do this, they will click on the connection button and then connect to an organization. From here, they will identify your organization and then select the course or courses they would like to take using your organization credits. Then down at the bottom, they will submit a connection request. In your organization dashboard, you will then see that you have a pending request. If you go to the Connections page and scroll down, you will see the request that was made, including which courses they are requesting to take. From here, you can either approve or reject the request.